A commercial airplane manufacturer was planning to install new wing stands in its main aircraft assembly plant. Skanska was hired as the general contractor to anchor the wing stands to the concrete surfaces in the building. And GPRS was hired by Skanska to scan, locate, and mark the rebar in the concrete around the proposed anchor locations. Identifying where rebar is located before coring or cutting into concrete reduces the risk of injuries or anchor failure, which is why Skanska hired GPRS to scan the inside of the assembly plant where they were planning on installing the anchors. GPRS project managers differentiated the bottom, middle, and top rebar and provided the thickness of the concrete slab in all areas. Once concrete scanning was complete, GPRS 3D laser scanned the concrete markings to document the findings in high detail in the form of a point cloud. True views were also taken, providing the client with a 3D panoramic view of the scan data at each laser scanner location. Concrete findings were drafted in CAD using 3D point cloud data. The 2D CAD PDF delivered dimensions for all embedded items, slab attachments, and anchors in the concrete, plus dimensions from the rebar to the base plates currently installed in the slab. GPRS completed this project in 10 days, giving Skanska the information needed to proceed efficiently and cost-effectively while safely coring the concrete inside the aircraft assembly plant. At GPRS, we prioritize safety. Our mission is to help the construction industry achieve 100% subsurface damage prevention. That's why since 2018, we've sponsored Concrete Sawing and Drilling Safety Week, which this year runs January 29th through February 2nd. Our concrete safety experts will come to your job site to provide complimentary education on the hazards associated with silica dust exposure, pinch points, kickbacks, and other serious risks. Spots are filling up fast, so visit the link in the comments of this video to schedule your free CSDSW presentation today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out some of our other content. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video.